Well, we're here at the old Connor residence, and today we're gonna be doing some restoration work on this old 70s rabbit that Connor's had for a little while here. Got some 4Runner stuff here too.
Hey, buddy guy.
Hey there, guy. But it's a rusty bitch. We actually started working on it like a little bit ago. There's some stuff that's already done. Like basically the entire ass end has already been primered and everything, but this side's basically untouched. So we're gonna start working on that, and then we're gonna eventually go to the Americas, get some parts, and yeet, my guy, and repaint this bitch.
Dude, look at how fucked this is.
Yeah. Fender came off real easy, you know, just reefed it off with the good old power of strength,
Muscles and stuff.
it's alright.
Hopefully it's not as bad on that side because there's no real rust on the outside.
Yeah, body rust ain't shit, but this stuff is fucking
This is
annoying.
the worst side.
Yeah. How much does this weigh? Like literally like maybe 10 pounds. Alright, let's get to doing some shit, guy.
Okay.
Drink that bean juice.
Alright, so while Mr. Connor over there is doing some vacuuming of the rust off of the body, I'm gonna start working on the tailgate. We just took it off.
I got a wedgie.
Yeah, you got a wedgie. Badges are off and everything. We took out the rear wiper a long time ago. Also I'll remove the lock at some point before I start priming and everything, and then mask off the weather stripping. But we're just gonna time lapse it, just because there's not really a lot of instruction to do with this video, or this series, I guess is what it's gonna turn into, because it's just basically restoring a rabbit.
Is this like the National Geographic documentary?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's David Attenborough.
Yeah.
We
So
see here the wild chimpanzee working on young rabbit.
So we made a quick trip to the old Ukrainian tire. Got some, what the hell is that smell? Smell that? No, it smells like burning. I don't know. Anyways, got some wire wheels and shit, because this rust sanding is annoying. Got some, that glazing putty. Also got some rubberized, like, rocker guard, or bed liner that some people call it. Because where the water runs on the back side of the rabbit, we're gonna put this stuff just to future-proof for rust. And we also got that fast orange shit because hands be dirty and hands need to be clean.
This is genuine Carnauba grape flavored wax. You gotta coat it to make sure when you do the sanding and shit that he's gonna do, it's nice and fresh and gonna come out evenly. Yeah, and this is with
Dude, I just had a genius idea.
Pentacoil.
Let's go get your Sawzall and chop these rocks off and fucking roll coal like crazy.
You got any scissors? Can you stop? You're gonna make his fucking window all greasy and shit. Yeah, see, that's what you get.
Young Shaq Weston, I'm getting really rich.
So I forgot to film an outro for this video, but I'm actually editing it right now. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I'm really quite enjoying doing like restoration projects and reviving cars and that kind of thing. So don't forget, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have anything you guys want to see in particular or anything. And don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. I've got lots of stuff ready to go here that I just have to stop being lazy and edit. Thank you guys once again, and I hope you all are having a fantastic time, day, evening, afternoon, whatever it is you're doing. So anyways, peace out guys, and see you later.